Wish my name wasn't in the middle of the screen.
Sam Holshot, Andy right behind. Sam fucking up. Andy's in the lead. Cole is riding with Andy. Sam half gate separation.
Keep flying.
Everybody's still flying.
Keep flying.
No, Andy's in the lead. Cole in the lead. Andy's right behind. Sam is right behind as well now. Whoa, that's intense. Free turning like motherfuckers. Everybody is... Alright, Cole 1, Andy 1. Sam fucking up a little bit. Sam 1.
Fucked up a lot. I saw a little no fucking up.
Cole and Andy all over the place.
I know it.
I think Cole is in the lead. Cole going around the flag, Andy going around, Cole 2, Andy 2, Sam 2. Whoa, lap 3 gonna be intense. Lap 3 gonna be intense. Guys, push it up, push it up. Cole in the lead, Andy right behind. Cole blowing up the turn. But then he full throttle still in front of Andy. Let's see. Whoa, that's intense. Push it, push it. Whoa, Cole is 3, Cole 3. Andy 3. Whoa! Oh!